So this question involves composite functions, fg, and the way this works is that the letter closest to the bracket always goes first. It's like a line, people or functions lining up, and then f will go after g's gone. So g is this bit here, okay, so 3x minus 3, and then we're going to feed that into function f, which is just times it by 5. So we're going to start off doing function g, and when we've done function g, we're going to do function f, which just multiplies it by 5. So 5 times 3x is 15x, 5 times 3 is 15. Now it says it equals 30, so we're going to get equal to 30. In fact, I should really put all of these equal to 30. And then we're going to put our lines in and solve it. Ooh, line went a bit short there. Okay, so we're going to add 15 to both sides. So that gives me 15x equals 45. And then divide both sides by 15. So we have x equals 3. So the answer to this is x equals 3.